Made of N-thermoplastic material to provide durability, flexibility, and resilience to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Heat fade resistant to temperatures over 100 degrees, which protects them against discoloration and fading over time. Flammability Ul94, V2 rating. Easy replacement of any wall plate of the same configuration. Smooth finish without recessed lines and soft edges, allows for easy cleaning. Includes painted screws to match the wall plate, UL listed. Unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic. Heat fade resistant. Impact resistant. Matching screws included. ENERLITES Decorator wall plates. For light switches and receptacle outlets. ENERLITES Decorator wall plates are made of high-quality unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic material, and designed to withstand bending, twisting, fading, heat, hard impacts and heavy force. These standard size, midsize, and oversize wall plates are intended to cover decorator receptacles or light switches in residential or commercial locations. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent service. I loved the service and the quality. Thank you ENERLITES, you went above and beyond to deliver this as quick as possible.